Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Notebooklm and signing in, then create a new notebook so everything stays organized. Upload your script draft, reference images, and 1 to 3 short clips. This gives context for storyboard suggestions. Once done, prompt Notebooklm with a concise goal. Make a 2-3 minute explainer video. Make sure to specify tone, aspect ratio, and target audience. This guides the model's outputs and speeds up the next steps. You now ask Notebooklm to break the script into scenes with estimated durations and shot descriptions, so you have a clear timeline. Once it returns a scene list, iterate. Request camera angles, on-screen text snippets, and B-roll or stock clip ideas. Use prompts like show 8-12-second intro, close-up, lower third text. Then export the scene list as JSON or copy it into your storyboard or editing app. This turns AI output into an actionable editing plan. You import the exported scene list, clips, and assets into your editor, and align the voiceover and music to the timings Notebooklm suggested. Render a draft and watch for pacing, caption accuracy, or awkward cuts. Make targeted edits or ask Notebooklm to rewrite a problematic scene. If the tool misbehaves, try regenerating the scene with clearer constraints or sign out and clear cache. This often resolves sync or export errors. Finally, re-render and finalize distribution files.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.